Hello, here is the storyline of episode 89. At the beginning, Myung-ji showed no hesitation when Hana accused her of orchestrating the hit-and-run accident 7 years prior. Myung-ji asserted her rights as Sun Chung's legal guardian and stated her intention to take him. Hana countered by threatening to petition the court to revoke Myung-ji's guardianship, claiming to possess evidence of Myung-ji's dangerous influence on Eun Chung. Hana presented Myung-ji's lawyer with a voice recording Yeojin had sent, but the lawyer dismissed it as irrelevant to Myung-ji's guardianship. Hana then spoke to Eun Chung, explaining that he must go with Myung-ji temporarily, but assuring him she would return soon. She cautioned Eun Chung against accepting anything from Myung-ji, especially drinks, instructing him to pour his own after tea, if Eun Chung followed her instruction perfectly. Myung-ji instructed Seong to prepare for their departure abroad within a week, intending to flee with Seong and Eun Chung to evade the reopened hit-and-run investigation. Hana called Eun Chung, hearing his cheerful voice relieved her. She expressed her affection for him, even stating she missed him while he is in his presence. Following this call, Jin-gu embraced Hana, mirroring her sentiment. Ji-seok witnessed this embrace and was subsequently approached by Jin-gu, who sought his support for their relationship. Ji-seok readily agreed. Jin-gu then confided in Ji-seok about the danger Myung-ji posed to Eun Chung, expressing hope for Richard Han's release and appointment as Eun Chung's guardian. He implored Ji-seok to act as Richard Han's guarantor, facilitating his release from prison. Ji-seok consented, drafting a petition attesting to Richard Han's character. The petition highlighted Richard Han's role in Ji-seok's revenge against Yeojin, while emphasizing Richard Han's love for Yeojin and the unlikelihood of him intending to kill her. The petition garnered signatures from the Hyeosung staff, Bang Woo, and the others who believe in Richard Han's innocence. Hana requested Seong's signature on the petition, but Seong refused, revealing her unwavering loyalty to Myung-ji. Hana countered by accusing Myung-ji of attempting to kill Yeojin, a claim Seong vehemently rejected, based on her belief in Myung-ji's innocence. Hana and Jin-gu visited Richard Han in prison, informing him of Ji-seok's support and his focus on resolving Richard Han's false identity case. That evening, Hana sought signatures from Ji Chang and Jiyeon, who initially refused. Hana then revealed Richard Han's kindness towards them and his role in saving Ji-seok's life 5 years prior in the United States, persuading them to sign. Hana subsequently appeared in court, petitioning for the revocation of Myung-ji's guardianship and advocating for Richard Han's appointment as guardian upon his release. She submitted documents proving Richard Han's marriage to Yeojin and his status as Eun Chung's biological grandfather. Meanwhile, Eun Chung missed Hana and desired a meeting, but Myung-ji prevented it, falsely claiming Jiyeon and Ji Chang disliked Eun Chung due to his grandparents' past action against Hana's parents. Eun Chung, skeptical, demanded a meeting with Jiyeon and Ji Chang. Upon visiting Ji Chang's restaurant, Eun Chung discovered the truth of Jiyeon and Ji Chang's resentment, leading to his despondency and compliance with Myung-ji's orders. He prepared to travel abroad with Seong and Myung-ji. Richard Han's release coincided with the weekend. He visited Yeojin's house to see Eun Chung, only to find it empty. A man informed him that the family had departed on a month vacation. Richard Han contacted Jin-gu, who immediately rushed to the airport to intercept Seong, Myung-ji, and Eun Chung. Hana visited Yeojin at his house, pleading for her awakening. She witnessed Yeojin's finger movement, summoning a doctor. Upon regaining consciousness, Yeojin remembered her identity but mistakenly recognized Hana as her biological daughter, Eugene. The episode concluded with Myung-ji, upon hearing of Yeojin's awakening, abandoning her plans to go abroad and rushing to the hospital to assess Yeojin's condition and her memory. That's the storyline. Thank you for watching my video.